everyone, who does not love a beautiful, functional storage option in their house? And so I was so excited when the brand Curlaky reached out to me to send me this beautiful rattan buffet cabinet. So I'm going to tell you everything you are going to want to know about it.
Okay, so here we have the natural one, and we have it here just in our living room area, but I really love how versatile it is. But here you can see the beautiful wood grains, and then you can just tell that it is a nice, thick, durable board. And then you can just see how spacious this tabletop is and all of the many decorations it can hold on top of it. And then here is how wide it is. And then I love that it does come with an anti-tipping device right there because I do have kids in the home. But look at this design. I absolutely love the arched rattan and the rectangle rattan that it has, along with these beautiful gold handles, just adding this level of elegance to the cabinet. It does have this nice open space here on the bottom if you do have like a robot vacuum that can go underneath it. So as I mentioned, this not only is beautiful, but it also is very functional. And so we have a whole lot of kids items just laying around, and I love that we have a drawer now and a cupboard to be able to store them. And so here we have some of the art supplies, but you can tell the drawer is plenty spacious. Here is what the inside of the cupboards look like. And so you can see that it does come with a shelf, and this shelf is adjustable when you are putting together this cabinet. This is the height that we chose, but as you can see, there is a lot of space to hold different things, and I just love that it is organizing our space. Here are the different heights you can adjust it to and what it looks like when it's wide open. Anyways, I absolutely love this rattan buffet cabinet. It fits our space so well. It is so beautiful, and you could tell good quality, so I definitely recommend it.